everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Snapchat on Snapchat Wave. And for that, you just have to open your PC or laptop and go to your Chrome browser. You can use any type of browser you want and search for Snapchat. You can use any type of browser you want and search for Snapchat. And once you open that, if you try to log there in, you have to give your username. This username, you can see it, and they will send you a code to your Snapchat mobile, and you just have to read that code and just rewrite on your PC. And once you write that on your PC, it will just open the Snapchat Wave, and there you can get access to your snaps in Snapchat. And yeah, that's it. It's that easy, right? So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. It's that easy, right? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.